Friends, I just arrived here to Dubai. I immediately came here to the Burj Khalifa in a nice restaurant to look for a place where I can tomorrow celebrate the New Year's Eve. But I found something in the chart. You saw Bitcoin. It was so crazy. Went down, went up. So I think we are very, very near to a massive move of Bitcoin. So I found something in the charts. I will show you this. If you make it until the end of the video, I give you access to a $30,000 bonus, a $500 free trade, and also to my premium trading group. I give you access for free. So let's jump into the content. So now, see here, we had a massive dump, very quick, flash crash, let's say. We was here in 94,200 and we went all the way down to 91,500. You can see here on the low, 91,463. You see it here. Yeah, here where you see the L, the low, it was 91,563, and we was actually in this moment, the high was 94,232. So yeah, I really thought we will crash again more. We would see more downside, but there was a buying candle and bought all the Bitcoins up. Okay, but you can see here something very interesting. This is the selling volume. Okay, and this movement is from here to here. Now you see the buying candle, and the buying candle is longer, is stronger, but it's less volume. So this is for me a divergence. So that's why I expect more downside. I expect that this now, it's, yeah, you cannot say that can's bout, but maybe here, if we take it from here, that can bout, that cat bounce to here, and now we see more downside. I expect really more downside. I will show you in a second why I think this. And if Bitcoin now goes down again, so what you could do is now open a short here, open a short position with a very small amount, 100, 200, risk $100 or $200, $300, depending on your portfolio size. Take the stop loss, put the stop loss in 95,900, because this is a sign that, okay, the trade idea went wrong. Okay, we was wrong. Okay, open a short exactly here. And take the profit, first profit, maybe here on 88, then here on 86,600 and down to 85, and always adjust the stop loss, put the stop loss in profit. That's what I think. I think we see a massive move to the downside, but there is something that is contrary, but it can also be simple manipulation. Look here, Tether just added 7,629 Bitcoin, 7.5 million to its reserve. Its total Bitcoin holdings now stands at a massive 7.7 billion. The whales are loading up. What do they know what we don't? Is this a signal for Bitcoin, the next big move? Okay, Bitfinex, yeah, obviously the same group like Tether, yeah. The same people behind Bitfinex are the same people behind Tether. They are manipulating the market from day one. Okay, the biggest market manipulators that I know that exist in the market. So they know that if they buy so much Bitcoin, that then there's something, then there are people like me, like other influencers talking about this. So that people think, okay, they're loading up, we go up from here. Many people buy again Bitcoin, open longs, over leverage, and then boom, comes the move to the downside that I was talking about, and then we will go up. I don't think that we are done with this. I don't think that they buy so many Bitcoins and don't use this hype around it just to do it like this and make us all rich because we saw it coming. More likely for me is that they will take advantage of the people that now think, oh yeah, Tether is loading up, Bitfinex is loading up, we will go up from here, and yeah, just go up. I don't think so. So what I expect is, as I told you, a massive move to the downside. Okay, I think it's a move to the downside. Now you see a little green candle here, but it's a hammer candle. I think we have still 3 hours and 5 minutes left. I think we will see a massive move to the downside, wipe out a lot of people, and from there we will go up in January again when the institutional traders are back on the trading desk, and then everything is much more easy to push. So yeah, be aware of this. Prepare for a massive move to the downside and a very, very, very strong push after this. Okay, now I hope you understand that now is a very, very important time, and Bitcoin is to make a massive move. I told you if you make it to the end of the video, I give you $30,000 bonus. Bybit, here, first link. And a non-KYC exchange if you are in a country where Bybit is not working. Bluefin is the best option for you. And third link is access to a premium trading group. Premium trading group, totally for free. You don't pay a single cent for it. I will close this group. Even if you pay, you cannot enter into this group. So take advantage, and tomorrow is New Year's Eve. 2025 is knocking on the door, but I will give you a video tomorrow. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. It's very important that you are always informed about what is going to happen, because in the next days, months, years, we can make a lot of money. So stay tuned. Give me a comment, share this video, and see you tomorrow. Bye.